we've got a new challenge today. We are going to be working on adding fractions. Now, adding fractions is like the 3rd or 4th grade level, but my 8th grade students that I teach right now, when I show them this, they're like, I hate this. I hate every single second of it. So we're actually going to do a learn it first, and then we're going to see, do people remember how to do this? So if we take a zoom in here, here's how we solve this problem. Now, our first issue is that the denominators are not the same. This is a 3, this is a 2. In order for us to add fractions, the denominators have to be the same. So what could we do to make them the same? We're going to find something called a lowest common denominator. So a lowest common denominator means a number that I can multiply by to make these numbers the same. So this number would need to be a 6. We could turn these numbers both into a 6. So that would be 3 times 2 and 2 times 3, just like that. Okay? Now, if I multiply this by 2, that would make this 1/6, and that is a no-no. That would change the value of the number. So I have to also multiply this by 2, which would turn that into 2/6. That's called an equivalent fraction. For this one, since I'm multiplying by 3, I would have to multiply this by 3. So my new fraction would be 2/6 plus 3/6. Because these denominators are the same, I can add them together. And I'll get my answer as 5/6. So we'll see if people can come up with that. Hey, my man.
I'm too slow, my boy.
No.
Hold on.
All right, I'll make you a deal. If you don't know it, I'll teach you. I like this. Is this Bad Bunny right here?
Yeah, bro.
That's clean, bro. That's clean.
Mexican, Jamaican.
You're Jamaican me crazy, bro. I'm from Cleveland. Hey, all right. So you're on my show. This is Make Up Some Math. My name is Stanley Makupson.
I'm slow.
What's your name, bro?
My name is Naive. How about you?
Naive?
Yeah, well.
Oh, okay. My name is Stan. It's a pleasure to meet you. All right, so I'm actually a math teacher, and so I have a lot of students that are like, I don't know how to do math. It's stressful.
Hey,
so
I would have been one of your students.
Right. So believe it or not, you're actually on a tutoring channel right now. So the purpose of this channel is to teach kids and you how to do math. All right. So
I'm slow.
Hey, tell me this at least looks familiar. Like you looking at this, you're like, this looks familiar.
Or something like 1/2.
Yeah, that's a fraction. That's a fraction. So if I was like, what is this value? What would you be able to tell?
I'm gonna get the high.
You're like,
bro, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 and 3, 5.
Okay, that's actually good though. That's actually good. Can I try to teach you? Can I try to teach you? You got a minute? All right, so what we got here is we got a fraction. Now, in order for us to add fractions, there is a very, very important rule. And that is that these denominators right here have to be the same. So it is 2, and they're not the same.
The issue is you have to find the same.
We have to find the same. So that is called lowest common denominator. She's like, I already know. She already knows what's good. She already knows what's good. That's a good one. If that's yours, that's a good one. So what can we multiply these numbers by and turn them into? Like, what's the lowest number we could turn these numbers into using multiplication?
1? Like triple 1 or
so it's got to get bigger. It's got to get bigger.
Well,
so like
the smallest number. That's why I thought about 1.
So, like, what number does 2 and 3 both go into? Don't steal learning opportunities. It is 6. All right, but she's right. No. I love this. This is good. So 6 is right. She stole it, but that's okay. So what could I multiply 2 by to turn it into a 6? 2 times blank equals 6.
2 times 3?
3. That's light work. It's 3. So we're gonna multiply that by 3. Now here's the deal. If I multiply this by 3, sharing is caring, right? So I gotta multiply that by 3. So we're gonna multiply that by 3. What's 1 times 3? 3, right? So 3/6. What's half of 6? 3. So this is an equivalent fraction. You chillin'. All right. What are we gonna multiply 3 by to turn it to a 6?
3. No.
So what's 3 times 3? That's 9. So 3 times what? 2. That's right. Okay. That's good. So that's got to be a 6. Now, what did we do here that we did not do here?
Oh, multiply.
Right. So I'm gonna multiply this 1 by what?
3.
What did we multiply here?
Oh, 2.
2. So I'm gonna multiply. Yeah, my boy. Yes, sir. So we're gonna multiply that by 2. Okay. So now this is 2/6. 2/6. Good. All right. Now listen. Because these are the same, These are the same, so now we can add.
Now,
So now we can do the classic. So 3 plus 2
oh, 5.
is 5. Okay. Now here's a trick. Because these denominators are the same, we actually are just going to keep it. We just keep the denominator. So our final answer is 5 over 6.
Oh,
All right.
Can I tell you that?